for FY24.
Okay, got that. Thanks a lot for that, Surbhi. Prakash, what's your view? Triveni Turbines, have you tracked this one?
Yeah, of course. And we've seen this entire corporate restructure that happened, post which you've actually seen a lot of momentum building in. But, I think it's well priced. If you ask me, the appreciation in the recent past has actually discounted it in terms of all this future growth. But, the time to buy something like this is when it is just starting to improve. Here, it's already proven its improvement. So I love the space, though, Daniel, not taking away the fact that this is the pocket to be in. And there are lots of good companies in that space which will probably start emerging as promising. Yeah.
Okay, I wanted your thoughts also on Samvardhan Motherson. After the acquisition of SAS, there are a lot of brokerages that, have raised their estimates on Samvardhan Motherson. CLSA says that SAS, the acquisition has added new capabilities and the valuations are very attractive. So Samvardhan gains access to the largest EV OEM player in that space. So at this price, Prakash, do you think, there's more upside for Samvardhan Motherson post the acquisition?
So yeah, this is a typical case with acquisitions which are so promising. Here, the two factors. One is its EPS accretive from day one, which is exceedingly heartening. And the second is the capital allocation will take some time to start reflecting into a scale up. Like any other acquisition, they would have. It's a significantly large operation that they are adding on, and it's a new area that they are adding to their product mix. So that's going to take a while for the effect. So I am quite positive on that. But the more promising part is the wiring harness business. If you actually see the synergies with the global businesses where they have so many new OEM relationships and things opening up, is going to be exceedingly promising on the wiring harness business, which is actually very undervalued. I mean, right from the time they split, they demerged these businesses, I don't think that's gone anywhere. So at that 50-52 mark, I think it offers far more risk reward, which is better than the other Samvardhana Motherson stock at this point in time. But yeah, I mean, both of them are positive. The acquisition is positive, but it's going to be a long haul for it to start getting captured in its P&L sales.
Okay. All right, Prakash, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in. Well, let's do one thing. Let us just take a quick look at what's happening in the pre-opening rates now. Adjusted higher. So looks like it's going to be a good start. The Nifty is up about 100 odd points, led higher by IT names. Remember, IT has been the best performing space this year. HCL Tech is already up 10% for the year. Looks like it's going to be up another 1.5% today. Infosys is in the green as well. M&M has been a very strong stock, up 1.5% in pre-opening. And a couple of the other names from the consumption space, you have Titan, HUL that are in the green. But let's put focus on the pharma space now. Cinderella Carvalho, the Vice President Healthcare at GM Financial, joins us now to talk about that. Cinderella, thanks a lot for joining us. There's been a lot of pressure pockets in the pharma space, whether it's Cipla with the Form 483 and the US FDA observations, or even Divi's, which has been under a lot of pressure. But you tell us, what's the overall call now on the sector, and what are the stocks that you would avoid and what are the stocks that you would own?